In SAP Analytics Cloud, we can use tasks and processes to manage our planning and analytic activities in the calendar. In any view in the calendar, the current date and time are highlighted. We can view by day, week, or month, and use the left and right arrows to navigate within the selected time range. We can also jump back to the current date. In the calendar view, we can create tasks to plan and track our activities. First, we'll define a title for the task and choose whether to assign the task to our own user account. We also need to specify the start and due dates and times for the task. By default, the task starts at the current date and time and is due a day later. We'll extend the time to the end of the day. We can also choose to have the new task open automatically in the Designer panel. Here we can see a summary of the status and files associated with the task. We can also enter a more specific description, which will be visible to anyone assigned to the task. In the People section, we can define the owner, assignees, reviewers, and individuals with view rights for the task. Based on the setting we selected, we're already designated as an assignee. We'll also assign the task to Isabel. We can also add files that are relevant to the task from the Files area. In the Reminder area, we can choose a predefined option for sending a reminder or define our own time frame. Once we've made our changes, we can update the task and send it to any other people attached to it. Note that in Styling mode in the Designer panel, we can create styles to apply to different categories of activities. In the Gantt view, we can create and monitor processes as well as tasks. A process is an aggregation of other processes and tasks that provides a high-level view of how much work is completed and how much still needs to be done. As with tasks, we need to specify when the process starts and is due. If necessary, we can change other settings for the process in the Designer panel. We can create tasks in the Gantt view as well. We'll assign this task to Isabel. We can also add the task to a process. Note that we can search for existing processes if the list is long. Again, we'll add a reminder to the task. We can expand the process to see that the task is now embedded in it. Once all tasks have been created and added to the process, it looks like this. When we log into Isabel's account, we can see notifications about the tasks to which Isabel has been assigned and use them to navigate to the relevant task. Here, we can review the details of the task, including accessing any associated files and entering our own notes. Once the activity captured by the task is complete, we can submit or reject to update the status. Back in Rachel's account, We can see that the status of the task has changed. The status for each person assigned to the task displays here, and we can change the status of the overall task here. Note that we can change the view of the tasks and processes to sort the display based on different parameters. We can also open the filter bar, filter tasks and processes displayed in the calendar based on style, status, roles, or due date range. Thanks for watching.